Today I'm going to show you the quickest way to create a typing effect in Premiere Pro. First thing we want to do is just create a blank video on our timeline. So I'll come over to New Item, Black Video, click OK, drag that onto the timeline, just make it a little bit longer for this example, and go to Effects, type in Tint, drag that on, and this is just so I can make the video white, and then click Effects Controls, and then just change that to white. From here, you want to go to Type Tool and just click anywhere inside the clip. I don't type anything for a second. Next thing you want to do, come over to Effects Controls and open up Text. From here, head down to this little stopwatch, the toggle animation, and we're going to create keyframes. So click that, and you've now created your first keyframe with no text on at all. From here, if you hold down Shift and arrow, this will allow you to move 5 frames forward. You can do this manually, but to keep the text consistent throughout in terms of the speed of it typing, you want to keep the keyframes the same distance throughout. So you can just drag here, create another keyframe, but you will find that the text is a bit sporadic, but maybe that's what you're going for. So you can also go individually, 1 frame at a time, just by clicking right arrow. But I find 5 frames at a time by holding those Shift and right arrow is a very good speed. Hold that down and go back to your text, click in there, and then just type the first letter. Now, that is your first keyframe created. So now, if we click back here, click back on your keyframe, hold down Shift and right again, then head back to your program monitor and type in your next letter. You basically then just want to repeat this process. So I'm just going to speed this up so you can see what's happening. Okay, so now I've typed in my text with all my keyframes, and if we play it, it should appear 1 letter at a time. Now you've created that effect, there is a quick way to speed up or slow down the effect. So if you head over to the Tools panel and scroll down to Rate Stretch Tool, or R shortcut, you can now extend this to slow it down, or if you squeeze it in, you can make it faster. And to really pull off this effect, I've also downloaded a typewriter sound effect, which is in the description below if you want to use any of them. If you drag that onto Audio 1, you also have this sound effect as well.